Hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. I wanted to come back with a video with a completed necklace. I added some coconut chips right here, like what I said I was going to do in the other video. And I really like the way this looks. I like this a whole lot better with the chips than I do without the chips. And then you can pretty much see how the beads look, the wire beads with the wood beads on them, hand painted beads. And also the pendant. I also used some coconut chips for the pendant, some natural stones. And then I just did a little wiring, something just abstract with the wire, just kind of twisting here, twisting there, just to come out with something, that matched perfectly with the pendant. So that came out really nice. I really like the way this looks. I like the whole necklace. I didn't get around to making the earrings yet because I was working on another bracelet. So not a bracelet, I'm sorry, with another necklace. And I am going to do a video showing that one real soon. But this is it. I really like it. I like the colors. I like the way the patterns on the bead, how everything just kind of marries well together. Looks really good. I like this one. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to duplicate this one in a way, not the same pendant, maybe something different in the sense of the pendant, but with these wire beads and those hand painted wood beads, because I really like the way that looks. And then I have some turquoise coconut chips, and then I have some beige coconut chips. And I think they had orange. When I say I think they had orange and baby blue and something else, so I might order some more because I'm getting ready for a couple of shows where I'll have these necklace sets. But anyway, this is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think. Darlene Knight, Jewelry by BDK, and we'll talk soon.